Here we are at Aussie Pumps, and this is Jetta City, as they say. We've got big runs of machines coming through. Lots more up there on the shelf. All those black figures aren't mummies, they're actually Jettas and it came off yesterday. These guys here have yet to be wrapped. This one's a trolley mount, got all the safety gear on, and it's set up with not the stainless steel reel yet. The next production run are probably going to have stainless reels. Here we've got a bunch of cubes that have just come off as well. These are 5,000 PSI, 20 litre per minute pumps, and of course Big Birdie's world's best pump, Bertolini 2035, that's 20 litres per minute, and that's 35 bar, which is of course 5,000 PSI. Set of these have just been through. All this stuff is going out the door pretty fast, as everybody wants Jettas this time of year, especially around the 30th of June, because every plumber in the country who's got an eel knows for the future he needs an Aussie Cobra or King Cobra. The world's best Jettas, sold all over the world, including Asia and even South America. How about that?